Welcome to Kalabelva Forecasting and Tamil Chandai. So Nifty, as per our predictions, it reached almost our target. So now you look, what is the next? Okay, before going to that, what was my prediction before that? I need to explain a little bit. So first of all, as per my price on time square, I told that as per my price on time square, it has to reach 16,550 on or before 27/8/2021. So right now, today's date is the 13th August. So now look, that prediction I gave on 2nd July. Now you look, now we are almost reached. We are reached just 7 points. That's not a worry. Now target is reached, but still time is there. Okay. So price reached. Now price has to wait for the time. That is the first logic. Okay. So now what could be the next move till 27th August? That we are going to look. That is the first thing. Second thing, as per Astro, I told as per Astro, 29th July high low is important. Actually, that next day high broken. So immediately we should keep long as per my advice. So keep the stop loss of 29th July low. That 29th July low still now not broken. That is 15,737.80. The day after next day low is 15,744. Now we look, it reached the my target 16,550 target is reached. Okay, so both the way of analysis as per price and time square, as per astrology, both the way. Now target is reached 16,550. Now what is next? So as per my analysis, I told you now, price reached before the time. Now it should wait for the time. Till that another 10 days is there. So till that time, how market will react? What is the next move of Nifty? That is what I am going to explain here. Now friends, now look, I am extending my target 16,801. Before that, 16,600 is a small resistance. It is a very small resistance. I don't think so it will hold. So as soon as it also try to break, suppose if it breaks 16,600, Nifty has to reach 16,801 on or before 27th August 2021. I don't think so it will cross 16,802. So 801 is an important figure. It is important major resistance level as per my analysis. So once it hit that level, we can possibly see selling pressure. So I don't know when it's going to hit, but my expectation is right. August 27th, on or before August 27th, the date might be 1 day plus or minus, maybe 26th August also possible, or 1 day extra. So now 27th we keep it. So near to that 27th, Nifty hit 16,800 means that is the top out short term. We can initiate the short position. Once it hit that level, I will update what could be the target for downside, how we have to deal. So everything, what is the time frame, that everything will update. But right now my first target is achieved, that is 16,550 is achieved. Now due to the time, okay, market has to manage the time for another 2 weeks. So another 2 weeks it has to sustain the higher level. That is what my prediction. In the higher level, 16,801 is the maximum to maximum target it might reach. So trade your Nifty or other positions based on these levels. These level will act as a important levels as per my studies. Okay. So if you have more doubts, you can